In this lesson, we're going to look at how to fully factorise a polynomial, and we're not told any factors or any roots of it. The way to do this is to look at the last number and find factors of it, and then use a bit of trial and error. So factors of negative 15 are plus minus 1, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 5, or plus or minus 15. Now the quickest method is to try plus or minus 1 first, and we'll do that without using the synthetic division table. It's much faster just to do this. 2 times 1 cubed plus 5 times 1 squared, take away 28 times 1, take away 15. And that just comes to 2, 5, negative 28, negative 15. And you can see that that doesn't come to 0. Again, it's a good idea to do negative 1 exactly the same way. Negative 1 cubed comes to negative 1 because it's an odd number power. So that will come to negative 2. Negative 1 squared comes to 1, so times that by 5 you get 5. This will come to plus 28 and take away 15, and that doesn't come to 0 either. If it did come to 0, then we'd have to use this in synthetic division table to work out the quotient, to work out the other bracket it's been multiplied by. So next along the line, usually try 3 or 5 first. Try these middle factors. They're more likely to occur, so we'll try 3. So we'll now set up our synthetic division table. Along the top we're going to have 2, 5, negative 28 and negative 15. 2, 5, negative 28, negative 15. We're going to try 3. So take the 2 down, multiply by 3 to get 6, add to get 11, times 3 to get 33, add negative 28 to get 5, times 3 to get 15, and we get 0. So the bottom here, since x is equals 3 is a root, that means that x minus 3 is a factor, so we've got our factor there. We can then say that this factorises to x minus 3, and we can get the other bracket, its multiplier, by looking at the bottom here. That's your number, that's your coefficient of your x, and that's your coefficient of x squared. So it's 2x squared plus 11x plus 5 coming from this bottom part of the synthetic division table. To fully factorise, we need to put this into double brackets. It's a trinomial. So we've got 2x at the front. We'll have x at the front of the next bracket. And then we'll need a 5 and a 1. Now to make 11, you're going to need 5 times 2 and 1 times x. That's going to be a 1 here and a 5 here, and the signs are both positive, so they need to be positive. The question asked us to fully factorise this polynomial, and we've done it here.